Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to share to you my own version of sweet and sour chicken. Okay, now we're going to marinate the chicken in salt and pepper. Mix it thoroughly to combine the flavors. Okay, and now let's pour in the flour to make the chicken crispy as it cooks. Now I'm going to preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes and I will set the time and the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius. By the way, in this recipe, I prefer to use an air fryer because we all know that cooking here is quick and healthy. Okay, now it's already preheated. So let's start to dunk in all the chicken inside and let's bake it for 10 minutes at least. Okay, 10 minutes is up. Let's check our chicken. Oh, they're brown already, but let's cook it more for 5 minutes. So let's turn it over. For our sweet and sour sauce, we will need 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/2 cup ketchup, 1/2 cup brown sugar, and then now let's mix all together. Now I'm gonna start sauteing the spices. Let's start with onions. Garlic, ginger, tomatoes, that they're brown already and they're cooked. Okay, so they're ready. Now let's go back to the pan. Let's put the red bell peppers. Mix all together until all the aroma flavors released. And now it's time to pour in the sweet and sour sauce. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Boiling and the smell is so good. Season the sauce with black pepper and magic syrup. And lastly, we're gonna put in the cornstarch slurry. It's just cornstarch mixed with water. now, as you can see, the sauce is thick already and it's ready. Here I'm adding water, just a little bit because the sauce is too sticky. And finally, into the sauce, our fried chicken. It's done! It's ready! Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.